Budapest. Papugo ko yung ngipin ko. Eh, sabi nila, yun yung the best country sa Europe for dental tourism. And sila din yung pinaka-cheapest, sabi nila. Hi guys! Andito ako sa Manchester and I am going to Budapest. Papugo ko yung ngipin ko. Pero yun yung main reason. Pero after nun, magta-travel ako around Hungary. Ito yung dental tourism nila na tinatawag. Meron magpipick up sa akin. So parang may kinonta ako na clinic sa Budapest. Tapos pipick upin nila ako. And then libre yung night stay ko. For the rest, after nun, kailangan ko na magbayad. Libre yung pag-pick up nila sa akin sa airport sa Budapest, tsaka yung pagdala nila sa akin pabalik ng airport. So, part nung dental tourism nila is libre yung appointment and libre din yung x-ray. So, after nun, bibigyan ka nila ng quotation kung magkano yung magagastos mo. And dun sila pwede ka mag-decide doon kung gusto mong i-continue or not. So, hindi ka naman nila ipe-pressure na matuloy dun sa procedure kung hindi mo naman siya afford. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano yung dental tourism sa Hungary. Kasi sabi nila, yun yung the best country sa Europe for dental tourism. And sila din yung pinaka-cheapest, sabi nila. Kasi dito sa England, sobrang mahal. May bayad yung appointment. Sobrang tagal ng appointment. So, I decided, gawin na lang sa Hungary. At least, nakatravel pa ako. Guys, later. Bye!
3 hours later.
Guys, yung flight ko delayed ng 2 hours. Hindi ko alam kung susunduin pa din ako ng shuttle ko. Hi guys! I'm here at Budapest. So ngayon magkakaalaman guys if someone's waiting for me outside. Kung hindi, I don't know. I'm gonna be stressed. So tingnan natin kung may nag-aantay sa akin sa labas. Ayan siya. This is the hotel. Guys, nandito na ako. Grabe, ang ganda ng hotel. Katabi lang siya ng clinic. Tapos sobrang libre lang yung one night ko. And may free pa ako na breakfast. Sobrang amazing. This is my room. Ito yung binigay nila sa akin. This is my room for a night. Isang gabi lang. Tapos lilipat tayo ng hostel kasi hindi natin afford mag-stay dito. I think nasa around 100 euros for a night stay dito. Pero dahil i-avail ko yung services nila sa clinic, kaya libre yung one night ko. Tapos libre din yung breakfast. Imagine that. Dito ko sa Revi. I don't know how to pronounce that. Ayun. Ito yung bathroom. Ang haggard ko na guys. It's 10 o'clock. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako kasi na-delay yung flight ko. So yan, look at that. Shower. Tapos ayan, may bed ako. King size bed, bro. Tapos, ito, may full size mirror. Ito pala yung suit ko na hindi ko na aura. It's so pretty. You can see the stairs from here. Ayan, sobrang ganda guys. Ang ganda mo. I'm so tired kasi. Ang sakit ng ulo kanina sa airplane. Hopefully, I don't have to come back anymore. Hopefully, everything will be done tomorrow. The breakfast is free as well, so I have to wake up early. I'm not gonna remove my things from my luggage because I'm only here for a few hours now, not even a day. So I'm gonna sleep now, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Let's see what the services are gonna be for tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So today is another day here in Budapest. Kakain muna ako ng breakfast kasi libre. Ito yung suot ko ngayon. Simple lang. Bumalik ako sa room ko. Kasi yung appointment is 4 o'clock pa. Nandun pala siya dun sa card na binigay sa akin ng driver. Ito yung card. Binigyan niya lang ako ng card. Hindi niya in-explain ano yung card. Akala ko, ito yung pick-up time, yung transfer nila sa akin. Hindi ko pay attention kasi nga, same siya nung dapat initial na, na arrival ko. 4 o'clock pa ang aking appointment, FYI. 4 o'clock pa. So, bumalik ako sa room ko kasi 10 o'clock pa naman yung check-out. Pero kakain mo na ang breakfast.
A few moments later.
Food today. Labas pa lang.
Mama, kapol.
Guys, ito pala yung room ko dito sa hostels. This is my bed, I think. Ready na siya. Kakatapos lang siguro nila. Pero gusto ko siya kasi merong ilaw, may saksakan, merong curtain. Yung pinaka-favorite ko dito. Tsaka ito din. Tignan mo. I have all this drawer space. Naka-cash yung luggage ko. Tapos may mga drawer pa dito. And then, ito, meron pa ako dito, space underneath, na pwede ko paglagyan ng gamit. Then, meron kaming sariling ganyan. And ito yung toilet. And then, I think this is the shower. Yeah, that's the shower. So, we share it with 6 other people. Cute.
Hinantay ko na lang yung appointment ko. So, nag-fill out ako ngayon ng form. Kailangan mo answer lahat, no? What medications are you taking regularly? So, tinawag nila ako, guys, kasi nag-take ako ng x-ray dun sa mouth. So, part yun ng package. Libre lang siya, pati yung appointment. So, guys, pumasok ako dun sa loob, nandun yung dentist. Tapos, ang dami niya ni-recommend. Sabi niya, root canal and then extraction ng wisdom tooth. So, yun nasa dulo kay wisdom tooth siya. So, kailangan na niya i-extract kasi hindi naman siya nakakatulong sa placement ng ngipin mo sa baba. So, nag-x-ray ako, tapos nag-CT scan ako. So, ang daming ginawa. Ano lang yung kailangan, yun muna yung papagawa ko, yung urgent talaga. So yun, dahil limited lang yung state din dito. Kung pwede magawa siya with lahat in one day kasi nga kailangan kong mag-travel din. Tapos sabi baka bumalik daw dun sa root canal sa visa ko. So hindi ako sure kung makakabalik ko ulit. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa loob kasi nahihiya ako dun sa doctor. Yung ayaw ko pala guys kasi nag-uusap sila in Hungarian. So, nakakatakot kapag may sinasabi sila. Parang feeling ko sobrang pangat ng ngipin.
Even if it's your treatment plan, so
Yeah.
if that's fine for you, then of course you can decide if you don't want to do anything. He said that these two extraction would be necessary, you know, the wisdom teeth, both. Root canal treatment, scaling, it's the deep cleaning. Yes, so we already did the x-ray, CT scan, consultation, and then we have the fillings on the front.
A few moments later.
So, hindi yun yung in-expect ko guys. Yung total na sinabi niya sa akin is nasa 1,800 euros. Sobrang mahal. Goodness me. Pero mahal naman talaga kasi nga root canal. After that, I won't be able to come back because I have to apply for another visa, which I think will be a lot more expensive. It's gonna be the same as the fees from the UK anyway if I took what they're wanting me to do, because it's like she gave me like the list of things to pay on the first page on the first day, and then when I come back after 4 months, when the tooth is fully healed, I have to pay another £1,000, which is super duper expensive. Like if I have to go back, I have to pay for an accommodation again, I have to pay for flight to come here. So honestly, I won't be able to afford it. So anyway, segue muna. Ang ganda nito. Look. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo guys yung total na sinabi niya sa akin. Mahal lang siya dahil dun sa root canal. Pero yung iba, affordable naman siya, knowing na nasa Europe ako. So now, babalik ako ng hostel ko. Tatanong ko, kasi mas mura pala sa kanila guys. Mas mura sa kanila pag bumili ka ng ticket ng bat sa kanila. So, ito yung bibigay nila sa inyo. Ito yung clinic na pinuntahan ko. Kasi maganda yung nila. Yung package nila. Tapos, ayan siya. Yan yung ngipin ko. Yan yung mga sira. Ayan, hinighlight nila. Then, this is how much it was supposed to be if I'm gonna do the root canal. But I said it's too complicated to do it here because I have to go back. And this is how much I'm gonna spend when I go back. Like, look. Although, you can have it done after 4 months when the tooth is fully healed. But, you know, the flight and things, the accommodation that you have to pay to come here is just too expensive. I'd rather just... see? £3,000. I'd rather buy a plane ticket to the Philippines. At least makikita ko po yung family ko. Ang ganda-ganda ng ng Budapest. Sana ma-explore ko siya. Anyway, guys, I will end this vlog today. So today is Tuesday. But I will continue the vlog on Thursday. I'll see you guys on my surgery day. 2 wisdom tooth tatanggalin sa akin. Ewan ko na lang kung ano yung tsura ko nun. Mangga-maga siguro yung mukha ko. Bye!
The next day.
All the certification of the doctors. Sorry. Grabe guys, namamaga yung mukha ko. Tinanggalan ako ng wisdom tooth. Wala pa ka na-feel. Ang pangat ka. Yung binigyan nila ako ng pain reliever, ng yelo, at saka ng instructions. So, ito yung mga things to remember after the surgery. medyo masakit lang siya. Wala ka naman mapipil, pressure lang. Ang sakit lang niya sa jaw kasi hinihila nila yung ngipin na nasa loob ng gum. So, sobrang, yun yung parang uncomfortable kasi parang feeling ko maglalak yung jaw ko. Pagpasok mo sa loob, i-explain sa'yo kung ano yung gagawin, ano yung mga kailangan expect during and after nilang gawin yung procedure. Kanina mga 7:50, nagpa-cleaning ako. Newbin lang to eh. Wala pa din ako mag-feel. Tapos mga after an hour, sobrang sakit niya. Ang sakit-sakit, naiiyak ako. So sabi ko like, pwede ba ako mag-take ng 2 pain relief? Ang ganda. Ayan, ang ganda. Grabe guys. This is how it works. Hindi ko mamakain yung chicken. Sorry.
You heard tooth. Yeah.
Wisdom tooth,
Because
yeah.
you eat hot, not wood.
So I don't chew, I just swallow
No,
it.
it's okay. I heard it's like
You had one as
yes,
well?
yeah.
Yeah.
You want to drink cold.
Yeah,
It's
that's
hot.
why I want ice.
But I'm not drink cold. It's not good. Hot okay, but cold not okay.
Nakakatawa yung habang kumakain ako. Hindi ko na-feel yung kung may dumi ba yung bibig ko or kung may tumutulong something. Ang weird kapag wala ka na-feel. Parang gusto ko ng ice cream. Hi. Do you have anything without dairy? Any ice cream without dairy? Milk? Yeah. Anything?
Yes. The chocolate?
Dairy? Milk? No milk?
No milk.
Yeah.
Would you like to?
Yeah. Yeah? Thank
Enjoy.
you. How do you say thank you in Hungarian? Cousin. Cousinum.
Wait, cousin.
Alright. Cousinum. Bye! Ang sarap. Pero hindi ko ma-feel kung kinakain ko ba. Kung nakakain ko na ba siya o hindi pa. Ang hirap kumain ng ice cream. No. I think tapin mo ng video. Gusto ko i-try ito, pero sa Sunday na lang. Kapag pwede na akong imaya. Dito tayo sa St. Stephen Basilica. So, I'm done taking pictures. Yeah. Parang walang iniindan sakit din. Pero ang putla ako talaga dun sa mga pictures. At saka mukha ko maga yung face ko. Grabe guys, na naglagay na naman sila ng anesthetic dito. Kaya wala naman ako ma-feel dito. Hindi na ako ma-feel dito. Medyo okay na hindi ko. Medyo sumasakit ang slide. Di root canal tong hihinata. Kasi, ang ano guys, babalik na naman ako bukas ng 11. Pero para lang sa feeling. Lalagyan ng feeling yung root canal. So, ang total na ng babayaran ko is nasa 963 euros. Hindi na masama actually. Kasi, ang dami nilang ginawa sa akin. So, compare mo kapag ginawa ko yun sa England, mas malaking babayaran ko. Baka abuti pang ng 3,000 pounds. Ayoko na munang gumala. Uwi na ako. Papahinga na ako. Matutulog ako. Tapos, ready for another day tomorrow. So is it worth it, guys, coming to Hungary to do your dental work? I would say it's worth it. If you want to travel and at the same time do your dental work instead of just staying in England. So if you want, guys, go to their website, check their prices. If you can afford it, ring them because they have different numbers in different parts of Europe. So like for example, if you want to speak to someone who speaks French, they have different representative who can speak to you. So I spoke to the one who can speak English.